Hello everyone and welcome to 143Vinyl. My name is Kate and in this video we are going to be talking all about the StarCraft SoftFlex Eco HTV, and I am so excited to show you all about this amazing product. So let's get started. So what is SoftFlex Eco HTV? This product is a quality, more affordable HTV that is not only economically friendly, but it's also environmentally friendly. It is engineered with an eco-conscious manufacturing process, and this is going to significantly reduce production waste and helping to minimize the environmental impact without compromising the quality. You can get a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet for as low as $1.85, and a 5-yard roll is under $20. It also has a satin finish compared to the full matte finish of regular SoftFlex and the semi-gloss finish of Caesar EasyWeed. Still soft and flexible, perfect for a variety of materials like cotton, polyester, and blended fabrics. We have even done in-house wash testing, and the SoftFlex Eco HTV will last over 50 washes. It is currently available in 26 colors, including your normal faves like red and metallic gold, along with other unique colors like magenta and cobalt blue. Some colors will have a white adhesive to keep lighter colors bold on darker fabrics, but some colors are a little more challenging to tell which side is the carrier sheet and which side is the vinyl that you will cut on. You can always check which side is which by peeling a very small corner and separating them. You will be placing the carrier sheet face down on your mat and mirror your image. The best settings to cut with your Cricut are everyday iron-on with more pressure, and the best silhouette cut settings are using blade 3, pressure 10, and speed 6. But remember that each machine can be different and cut settings may vary depending on a multitude of factors like how new your blade is and even your mat. So make sure that you are always doing a test cut prior to committing to a full design. We like to recommend using about a 1-inch star, and this will really help make sure that it will cut the sharp corners and make sure that your project will cut beautifully. You will press the SoftFlex Eco HTV at 285 degrees for 5 to 10 seconds. It is recommended to do a warm or cold peel for this product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that I have been able to show you how amazing the SoftFlex Eco HTV is. As always, if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our amazing customer service team. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!